What's up, guys? Joel Benavides with BlokSquawk here, and today is another day in this brutal bear market. It's 4 minutes till 6 p.m. here in San Antonio, and it's the 5th of December. Current universal time is 23:57, so we're almost going to start a new daily candle, and we'll take a closer look at all that here momentarily. Real quick, I just wanted to knock out the squawk real quick. So let's get to that, and then we'll move on to the other stuff, okay? Let me bring up the chart for you guys. And we're looking at Bitcoin on BitMEX over last few days with hourly candles. There's that. But let's get started on the squawk right now, okay? A few choice coins. For those of you who are uninitiated, I often say this just to kind of clear the air here. A squawk is like an auctioneer style readout of the market and market conditions, prices, and it's really common with certain services provide squawks to brokerages, and like if you have a brokerage platform like on TD Ameritrade or something like that, you can often access those audio streams, and then they also sell themselves independently. So that's what a squawk is. That was an inspiration for at least a portion of this stream and podcast, and so that's that. So without further ado, let's get into it. A few choice coins here, not all top 50 or top 100, but a handful that I like and I believe in, and I'm sure there's going to be a handful of them in there that you do too. So starting out in 130th place is gas by the same symbol, GAS. That's trading at $2.13. That's down 8.28% over the last 24 hours and down 16.7% in the last week. 24-hour traded volume was 319,709. And from this point on, guys, as we move in through the rest of the squawk, I'm going to go a little faster. And the 24-hour volume is going to be an approximation within 100,000 USD, and that's just for speed and simplicity on my part. Okay, all right, let's go. Electronium in at 63rd by market cap by the symbol ETN, trading at 0.7 cents. That's down 8.56% on the day, down 18.11% for the week. 24-hour traded volume 350,000. Augur REP in at 53rd. Trading at $7.45. That's down 8.59% for the day, down 14.12% for the week. 24-hour traded volume, 700,000. Verge XVG in at 47th, trading at 0.6 cents, down 7.79% for the day, down 20.42% for the weekend. 24-hour traded volume is 1.6 million. Icon ICX in at 43rd, trading at 23 cents, down 8.92% for the day, down 15.26% for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 4.8 million. Lisk LSK in at 35th, trading at 1 and 33 cents, down 5.43% for the day, down 14.37% for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 3.4 million. Quantum QTUM in at 34th, trading at $1.85. That's down 5.42% for the day, down 15.37% for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 130.4 million. Basic attention BAT in at 32nd, trading at 14.8 cents, down 9.49% for the day, down 11.5% for the weekend. 24-hour traded volume was 6.1 million. True USD TUSD in at 25th, trading at 1 and 1 cent. That's down 0.03% for the day, up 0.13% for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 28.6 million. Dogecoin by the symbol DOGE and at 22nd by market cap. That's trading at 0.2 cents, down 0.63% for the day and down 2.65% for the week. 24-hour traded volume, 20.6 million. Zcash ZEC in at 19th, trading at 66 and 42 cents. That's down 10.99% for the day, down 17.19% for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 154.2 million. Moving on here, Ethereum Classic UTC in an 18th by market cap, trading at $4.03, down 9.29% for the day, down 18.49% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume on Ethereum Classic, guys, was 146.1 million. NEO by the same symbol in its 17th, trading at $6.99. That's down 7.86% for the day, down 15.97% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 147.9 million. Dash by the same symbol in its 16th, trading at $77.90. That's down 8.83% for the day, down 21.01% for the week, and 24-hour trading volume was 207.8 million. IOTA by the symbol MIOTA in at 14th, trading at 25.8 cents, down 6.78% for the day, down 13.5% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 8.4 million. Binance coin BNB in at 13th, trading at $5.98, up 0.55% for the day, up 12.66% for the week. Binance being resilient. 24-hour traded volume 61.6 million. Monero XMR in at 12th by market cap, trading at $51.65, down 9.14% for the day, down 18.23% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 13.3 million. Cardano ADA in at 11th, trading at 3.4 cents, down 8.84% for the day, down 17.5% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 26.2 million. Moving on into the top 10 now, guys. Top 10. Tron by the symbol TRX in at 10th by market cap, trading at 1.3 cents, down 3.06% for the day, down 5.95% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume 69.5 million. Bitcoin SV, BSV in at 9th, trading at 86.31, down 4.25% for the day, down 11.11% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume 75.4 million. Litecoin LTC in at 8th, trading at 29.30. That's down 6.12% for the day, down 15% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 392.1 million. Tether USDT in at 7th, trading at 99 cents. EOS by the symbol EOS in at 6th, trading at $2.20. That's down 10.34% for the day, down 32.07% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume on EOS, guys, was 843.1 million. Bitcoin Cash BCH in at 5th, trading at $130.54. That's down 12.65% for the day and down 30.97% for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 95.9 million. Stellar XLM in at 4th, trading at 13.5 cents, down 8.04% for the day, down 15.62% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 68 million. Ethereum by the symbol ETH in at 3rd, moving into the top 3 now, guys. Ethereum in at 3rd, trading at $102.48. That's down 7% for the day, down 15% for the week, and 24-hour traded volume was 1.9 billion. XRP by the same symbol from the Ripple company in its 2nd by market cap, trading at 33.8 cents. That's down 4% even for the day and down 12.81% for the week. 24-hour traded volume on Ripple, guys, was 400.5 million. And lastly, of course, Bitcoin Cash BTC in its 1st by market cap, trading at $3,753.99, down 5.08% for the day, down 11.5% for the week. 24-hour traded volume was 5.2 million. Market cap now rests at 65.3 billion, circulating supply 17.4 million. And overall market cap, guys, was 120.5 billion. 24-hour traded volume overall was 14.2 billion. And Bitcoin dominance up today, resting at 54.2%. That's going to do it for your coin market cap squawk. And we're going to move on to the news, I guess, right now. We've been looking at the chart. We'll come back to this, guys. Let's do, yeah, I have it open. Crypto Panic. Here we go. Okay, and usually I front run the news. I kind of go out and pick out like cool stuff, but I haven't done that. So I'm gonna be a little slow on the news today. Bear with me, and we'll go through this stuff together. So 27 minutes ago, Bitcoin Danger Zone, the song "Not the Price Action." That's a YouTube video by Oh Hey Maddie. 32 minutes ago, from the chart guys, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, so they came out with a TA, the chart guys. 44 minutes ago, time now is 6:06 p.m. That's 6 minutes after the new Universal Day. So I guess it'd be the 6th of December now, Universal Day. 32 minutes ago, Ethereum, okay, I'm sorry, Bitcoin, 44 minutes ago, Bitcoin price will likely fall to 1,500, according to a Bloomberg analyst that's cited by ccn.com. 1,500. Oof. And I was getting heat in the troll box today, the TradingView troll box, for suggesting that it's maybe time to pull out the short strategy. 60 minutes ago from CoinJournal.net, Conflux raises 35 million in USD for blockchain dApps protocol. dApps are pretty dApps have been on my radar lately. An hour ago, from Lewis Thomas. I like Lewis Thomas. I watch some of his videos on YouTube. If you haven't checked him out, he's like a raily British guy, but he comes out with like good videos and stuff like that. Bitcoin fundamentals getting weaker or stronger over time. You ask me, I think, I mean, every time I look, there's like a new adoption of some sort going on, guys. There's city governments using blockchains now. Large corporations and banks are adopting blockchain technology left and right. It's not necessarily Bitcoin, but Bitcoin kind of started the whole thing off strong, and it's kind of like the gold standard in investing and saving. It's a way to, I don't know. It's just I think over time Bitcoin's volatility will go down. I think a lot of like old bankers and stuff that come into the space, and they kind of see what's going on and what's been going on with Bitcoin price, and as well as just like anybody new kind of sees it and just automatically chalks it up to being a Ponzi scheme, and I don't see that at all. And that's really because once you understand that Bitcoins are it's basically impossible to reproduce them. In other words, print more of them. And that there's a finite supply of them. It really plays into the deflationary model, and so it's almost inevitable that price is going to continue to rise over time. But as those Bitcoins become rarer and rarer, and become consolidated in the hands of a few, I mean, it's just it may not end up being Bitcoin in the end. It could be Ethereum or something else. Maybe the government will come out with a centralized version of a cryptocurrency to replace the dollar. I don't know, but I do know that this technology is going to save the world. There's nothing like it before in history, and it's going to continue to become rarer and rarer. And so, I mean, all those kind of things just point to like an inevitable increase in price, in my unqualified opinion. Anyway, enough of that. An hour ago from newsbtc.com, technology adoption determines true value of crypto industry. I was just talking about that. Adoption is through the roof, from what I can gather. An hour ago from Crypto Globe, Block Tower Capital CEO says 5x more development in crypto industry this year versus 2017. An hour ago also from CryptoSlate.com, blockchain investors lose billions to projects with no evidence. Yeah, well, that's the ICO market, right? And I think next time around, we're going to be a lot. I think investors are going to be a lot more careful with the ICO market, and I mean, people were getting in because they saw people making millions, And it didn't always work out that way. It certainly didn't work out that way for most people, I think, in the ICO space. So know what you're getting into. Anyway, an hour ago from dailyhodl.com, Fundstrat's Tom Lee says Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple have staying power in the earliest days of crypto. Live market update and coin talk from YouTube users Node Investor and Ledger Status. CCN.com put out 2 hours ago a report from MIT that says crypto pump and dumps see 7 million in volume every day. Usually there's one or two guys at the top of one of those pump and dump schemes making sure that they sell before they tell you to do it. And I guess we'll leave it there. It's just some of the news guys from Crypto Panic. Tweet at me at Joel Benavides. I want to know where you're getting your news from. If it's one of these. I like to get mine from Cointelegram, CCN.com, and CoinDesk. And I'm surprised I haven't seen a lot of stuff from CoinDesk here. Maybe I should write these guys and tell them to include CoinDesk stuff. Any hoot. Let's move on to the chart. So, we've been operating in this range for the last few days, couple weeks, what have you. And this colored region right here is a pitchfork style indicator that I immediately started looking for anchors for when Bitcoin price took a shit a couple months ago or whatever it was. And let's take a look at that, because I was talking about the hourly candles earlier, so I might as well pull it up for a sec. Or the daily candles, rather. Yeah, so here's the formation that we all know that was a sense of some comfort, I think, for a lot of people for most of 2017. And yeah, it took a shit. It took a shit on the 14th of November. And here we are a month later, and it doesn't look good. And actually, you can kind of see volume oscillating over the year here a little bit. And it's picked up dramatically over the last month. So, but that's to be expected, you know, with this price action. So let's get in here and let's take a closer look. Yeah, so I started looking for anchors, and I found one on this swing low, this swing high, and this swing low. And so I went with that, and it's given me, I think, a little bit of guidance right here. On the daily chart, we're still below the 8-day exponential moving average. And we've been here for a while, and we're riding this inner line within the pitchfork. So, but you know, let me see. Stochastics have been relatively oversold. So, and we just punched through an important line of support earlier, and we're looking at this line of support right here. Major line of support down at 34.30. If we break that, or start getting close to that, I'm going to be looking really closely. It really depends on a few factors. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. Let's look at the hourly. I don't like the 4 hour, but it uses 4 hour. I don't like it. I was playing with the idea of of a flag here earlier. So, and you know, it still may be. This could turn into bunny ears, or it could move on with a continuation in a flag pattern and drop down. But the overall trend is obviously bearish. I mean, you can see here we're going down, like John Mayer says, and we're riding along this line. We tested 44.15, which is like a major level of support right here at noon on the 29th, and then we started coming back down. And right now we're kind of bouncing off of this line of support at 36.61. So, and there's a lot of price action there. Coinigy doesn't have a volume profile display, but it's easy to see that there's a lot of price action at this level, at this 36.60 to 37.16 price level. And so we're likely to be here for a little bit, couple hours, few hours, maybe through the night, maybe into the next day. But the question remains to be seen, you know, are we going to break out to the upside and form another bunny ear formation here, or is this going to act as a bear flag and then we're going to break out to the downside and continue? Now, it's interesting because it seems like that's what this has been. We have a bear flag here and it broke out to the downside, but then that continuation became part of a pair of bunny ears that took place immediately after that. And so we see these types of things all the time in crypto. Yeah, it's just, it could go either way. The overall trend, though, it's apparent, is down. So if we start swinging out to the upside, don't let it fool you. It could go either way. Right now on the hourly chart, stochastics are relatively oversold, and volume has been taking a bit of a dip as of late. Money flow is down relative to where it's been, and so that's price action. I study more in the realm of price action trading, and so that is where we stand. Everybody, say hi to my daughter. Come here, baby. This is my daughter. This is my beautiful baby girl, Hillary. Say hi, baby. Did you need to talk to me about something? Oh, sorry, I'm having a familial moment here. You want to help me? You want to help me break it out for them? Are you sure you don't need anything? Okay. Well, go up and do your homework, and I'll be up there in about 5 minutes. Is it okay? Okay. All right. Well, as you can see, guys, duty calls, and I need to be on my way. But I hope, or I wish you all the best. I am going to seriously be considering shorting. I'm sharpening my short pencil here if we break out below this 34.30 level with volume. And so I've been studying more in the Binance world lately, or in the BitMEX world lately. I had traditionally been trading on Coinbase Pro, but with everything that's been going on recently, and I should have done this earlier in the year, and I didn't. I had been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off, but I've seriously been considering learning a decent short strategy. However, that being said, I'm not unaware that shorting at this price level could turn out badly, which is why I'm planning once if I do start shorting Bitcoin at some of these key price levels, I'm going to be considering doing so with very strict stops and adhering to a very strict system of risk management, and all the while looking for potential hedges. Like today we saw Binance was up significantly. Oftentimes Dogecoin acts like it does its own thing. And I said yesterday, and we didn't actually do it, that I was gonna pull up Doge's chart real quick because I wanted you guys to see how it acts. It doesn't act like any other crypto, and I haven't gotten into looking at why it does this, but it definitely moves to the beat of its own drum. I mean, look at that. That's unlike. Okay, so let's take a look at yeah, this is okay. So this pump right here was right around June. Let's take a look at December. Yeah, but December it was like low and going down. So I'm wondering if Doge is not being used as some sort of, I really need to compare it. Next time I come on, we'll pull up Doge on the comparison and we'll look at it. Like, give me a couple days to do this on my own, and we'll pull up Doge against Bitcoin, and we'll really take a look at this, and I'll do a little research over the next couple of days, and maybe you can join me in doing that in terms of like why Doge does this. I'm wondering if people aren't using it as a hedge against Bitcoin. I really am. Because, I mean, look at this, guys. It's crazy. So we'll take a look. If there's nothing else, you guys can follow me on Twitter. I'm at Joel Benavides. That information's on your screen. Let me pull up the combo. Yeah, right here. At Joel Benavides. Right. Sorry. There, Joel Benavides, and I'd be happy to reach out and interact with you. Otherwise, thanks for listening and good luck trading. Cheers, guys.